Okay, picture this. OpenAI's Sora burning. $15 million a day to run. Per day. That's insane. And they discontinued it March 24th, 2026. But here's the kicker. A free replacement exists. And it's already better. I mean, $15 million daily to free? That's like torching cash for a fireworks show nobody paid for. But the death wasn't for the reason everyone thinks. Sora 2 launched September 30th, 2025, just for iOS users in the US and Canada at first. Boom, within a week and a half, over 1 million downloads. It hit #1 free app on the Apple App Store. Temporary glory. Then, January 10th, 2026, OpenAI kills the free tier. Now, it's $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus or $200 for Pro. Downloads? Crashed. 45% month over month by January. March 24th, 2026. Poof. Consumer app and API both gone. Research team reassigned to World Simulation Research to advance robotics and physical task solving. Sounds fancy. Probably means we're pivoting hard. But the public narrative about why it died is completely wrong. Each video clip, $1.30 in compute, per Cantor Fitzgerald and semi-analysis. At peak, 11.3 million videos a day. That's $15 million daily. Annualized, $5.4 billion burn rate. Total consumer spending, a measly $1.4 million. Bill Peebles, OpenAI's Sora head, straight up said the economics were completely unsustainable. Social media blamed deepfakes, copyright, 2026 election. Nah, it was the math. Straight up paying to lose. So, OpenAI shut it down, and the $1 billion Disney deal died with it. OpenAI had a 3-year, $1 billion equity and licensing deal with Disney, announced late 2025. Supposed to give Sora over 200 Disney, Marvel, Pixar, Star Wars characters. Brand safe setup. But Sora shutdown killed it. Disney rep, we respect OpenAI's decision to exit the video generation business. Translation? Good luck with that. OpenAI tried a walled garden social app like TikTok. Epic fail. But while they burned billions, a free tool quietly got better. ByteDance's Seedance 2.0. Free. 1080p video. Unified multimodal setup. Text, image, audio, video all at once. Generates dialogue, ambient sound, visuals frame by frame together. Audio's baked in, not tacked on. Sora? Never nailed native audio-visual sync. Grab it on Dreamina or CapCut. No sub needed. Unlike Sora's $20 or $200 after January 10th. So creators ditched waiting, built a holy trinity workflow. Zero cost. Veer for cinematic image to video, precise camera. Grok for hyper-realistic physics, docu-style from text. Meta AI for natural character moves, emotions. Unwatermarked exports now. Beats $200 Sora Pro. Google's Veo 3.1. True 4K, 60-second clips. API 15-40 cents per second. Kling AI from Kuaishou. 3-minute clips, 1080p, free tier. YouTube spots like AI Chief teach this stack. But hold up, this free explosion birthed slop. Backlash against crappy AI vids, nonsensical ads, filler posts. Reddit roasts free generators for polluting feeds. Sora's strict IP guardrails? Tech folks said they nuked appeal. Early flood of Pokemon in Saving Private Ryan, historical deepfakes. Guardrail paradox. Too strict kills fun. None means lawsuits. Seedance 2.0 and Veo 3.1 now pitch as director-level suites, not meme machines. Real winners? Creators who got economics first. ByteDance embedded Seedance in CapCut. No new app, just workflow upgrade. OpenAI built standalone TikTok clone. Failed. Integration crushes. Barrier to cinematic AI video? Zero now. Native audio, coherence, sustainable cache. Sora had first two, not third. The real question isn't whether Sora is dead,